Hi guys, today we're going to be replacing a Dell Alienware R5 screen. After removing the battery and unplugging the machine, you have to remove the plastic bezel around the screen. So after removing the battery and unplugging the machine, you have to take out the plastic bezel that is around the LCD panel. You take your spudger and you just pop out the bezel here. After we're done with that, we're going to move on to the next step. Just pop it out. Careful around the edges. There you go. Now, we're going to remove the screws here on the that are on the back of the panel here. Then we're going to remove the screen and the rails that are holding it. After carefully removing the panel here, we have to carefully remove the pin connector in the back of the screen, and now we have to remove the screws on the rails here, because we'll be putting it in with the new screen. And now here's our new screen. Now we're going to take the rails we removed from the old screen, and we're going to put them in the same direction as we put them on the other screen, meaning where we have this bit down here, we have all the circuit board with the pin connector. We're going to put this end here, the bit with all the screws here, this is our down position, and we're going to match it up like this. For the next step, we're going to take out these 3 screws so we can have an easier time connecting our cable to the LCD panel. Now we're just going to take the pin connector. Wait, cut. Now we're going to take the pin connector and just slide it right in like so till it clicks in place. Now after putting in the new LCD panel, now we're going to re-screw it into the back panel, and we're going to put the bezel back on. After putting everything back the way it is, we see it works, and thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be putting a link in the description below where I got the parts and the instructions for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.